In today's video, let me show you the way that you can manage your SoundCloud library. Welcome back to this quick guide video on how Genic. Now basically managing your library means that you can either remove or add in these sections inside of your library. So these sections include likes, your playlist, the albums, like stations, as well as artists that you are following. So there are two things that you can do, either add something or remove something from your library. For example, if you're trying to remove something from the like list, you can just click on this heart icon which says on like, and the liked song that you added in will be now removed from your library. Similar to that, you can also do the same for any playlist that you may have added in. Just open up the playlist that you're trying to remove or delete. Click on the option which says delete playlist. As soon as you do that, the playlist that you deleted will also be now removed from the playlist list. So you can follow the same process if you're trying to remove any of these sections from inside of your library. In order to add something inside of your library, whether it's playlist or just like songs, you can just head over to the home feed, or you can also search it up on the search bar and then just click on the like option if you're trying to add something to your library, or you do also have the option of creating a new library. So that's basically it on the way that you manage your library inside of SoundCloud. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.